Hey guys, the Wood Craftsman here, and I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of a job that we're just finishing up here. New construction, and we did all the cabinets in the entire house. I'm just going to kind of basically show you the kitchen itself. This is a three-piece island. It's kind of the back, all raised panels. And then also raised panel ends. And around the front here, all raised panels. This one was a new for us. It was a new door design and a new drawer front. It's a bevel raised panel, and I actually did a video on this new raised panel cutter, and actually I'll be launching one, if not already, on all the custom tooling that was used to produce this entire cabinet job. So only thing left yet is a need to install the pull-out trays or pull-out shelves, which is pretty much standard for us now. And oops. Solid dovetail or solid soft maple dovetail drawers, standard, all made in the shop. Soft close again, and even soft close cabinet door hinges. One thing I have noticed with the smaller doors, on the Bloom soft close hinges on the 38N series, you can actually turn off the soft close function, and I've been finding with the smaller doors it's only necessary to have one of them turned on. So here we have a refrigerator. This one I was a little disappointed because we didn't have any specs for any appliances other than the fact that we knew that we were doing a standard dishwasher opening and range and hood opening. But otherwise, anytime we do a job, I always like to have the specs up front and then draw it accordingly. And could have definitely shortened that above the refrigerator a little bit, but typically for us, standard refrigerator height opening is between 70 and 72. And the doors above the microwave vent combination and the refrigerator cabinet are exactly the same height. So you kind of get this eye line that lines up. So raised panel ends on the wall cabinets as well. You can kind of see it. There we go. So just a little 10-inch wide base cabinet, just with an adjustable shelf, another drawer on top, and these here are tip outs, or I call them smart fronts. And you can now get these at the soft close. So, and just a typical Lazy Susan corner cabinet. And I've been using these bifold hinges quite often now. They're kind of nice. Kind of swings them all the way. The only thing I would have done differently is I would have preferred to probably have them hinged on this side, but the customer wanted hinged on this side, so I just don't like how this turns out. I think I'm going to order a restriction clip, and I want to see what that restriction clip, as far as how far it restricts it. Because if it can restrict it to this far, that would be great. Or I may actually replace these hinges with, instead of 170, I might replace them with maybe 110 or something. We'll see. It's all something that can be changed because the drill pattern is the same. So, yeah. And here's a raised panel end on the refrigerator. Pretty much do raised panel ends on everything. And the only one thing that I was a little concerned on is this is an island, and I believe the code in this area is that they're required to have electrical in here. Because I could have swore that when we set these cabinets in place before I put the toe kick on, that there was a electrical wire sticking out down by this vent here. So Not sure because I don't recall seeing anything inside the cabinet. Nope. So the floor is accessed below, so I'm not sure what they're going to do, but that's one of the reasons why we make a wider top rail, just for the simple reason that an outlet, a shallow box outlet or a plug mold can be applied in here. And in fact, we've done in the past actually cut out a notch for plug mold to be flush with this as well. So, but we'll see. Like I said, it's not our issue. So electricians and HVAC guys are all on board with this installation, so it's not like nobody didn't know anything about it. So, and this is new rebuilt construction. So but yeah, I'll just do a overall backup view. There we have it. So only thing left to do is make a couple pullouts to go in those island cabinets, and then do the crown molding, which we'll be making in the shop as well. We're going to do a very simple shaker style with a twist to kind of go with the country look that this customer's got going in his home. So, and if anybody's asking, this is birch wood with kind of a medium brown stain. So, and we make everything in the shop, with the exception obviously of the hardware, but we make all of our own doors and drawers and raised panel ends and drawer fronts and crown molding when we can. So we just purchase the raw materials, the solid stock and the sheet stock. So, all right, and those of you might be asking what's up with the white refrigerator with the stainless steel appliances. It's just a loaner. Where this customer ordered his appliances from, they didn't have the refrigerator in stock, or it didn't come in on time, and they just decided to give him a loaner for the time being, even though that they don't have occupancy yet. So just courtesy of the appliance sales company. So, all right, guys, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this short tour. Any questions, I'll try to reply in the comments below, but I don't think you'll be seeing any more videos of this job here. So, all right, questions and positive comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.
So I just wanted to take a moment to point out that the refrigerator that the homeowner had originally purchased, they had to order, and it actually